I checked out with almost 50 items. Tara na, feeling ko maubos ko na yung IKEA. Gutom na ako. Saan na may cart ko? Ano mukhang garbage ba? Saan na may cart ko? Smart. Gusto ko bumili pero wala akong paglalagyan. Hi guys! We're here at IKEA today, the biggest IKEA store in the world, I think, correct? So, it's the biggest store of IKEA in the world. Sobrang laki niya, you really have to wear sneakers or rubber shoes. Kasi pag nag-heels ka, deads ka. Pagod. So, I've actually read a lot of research for IKEA because I was always curious about their business model. And they have designers. That's why yung mga furniture nila or yung mga accessories, ang gaganda ng design kasi it's really designed by their designers. Pero it's mass-produced with the whole world. So, yung cost of the product itself, bumababa. Kasi ang dami nila maganda eh. Imagine, one designer, you pay 10,000 for this design, pero it's being produced like millions. So, magkano na lang binabayad mo sa designer? So, ito, this is nice. 2.7. Or ito. 1.9. Ganda rin siya. Ito siya super blackout. Hindi. Ito yung magandang blackout. Ito. It's my pattern. Tapos pag bumagsak siya, ayan, ang ganda. Magkano to? Ay, mahal. 3.9. Kaya, ito kulambo. Sana na may cart ko. Ang ganda rin ito. So, it's just 190. 90 by 190 C. Ito na to, kaysa mag-curtain ka na 3.9 or 1.9. So, meron silang black. Pero mukhang garbage ba? Mukhang garbage ba? Ito na lang. O ito, mas maganda ng konti. Mas mahal na. Sobrang cost efficient nun. Ano yun? Ano ito? Pang projector? Ang galing! Wait, ba't kinamay ko? Ang galing. Socials. Ay, smart. And then, magkano? Uy, 1,890 lang. Uy, ang galing. Through Wi-Fi lang. IKEA, galing. As always. Gusto ko bumili pero wala akong paglalagyan. Kasi naka-curtain ako eh. Amazing. May cart ko. Ay, hindi ko na.
Dami option, dami.
Uy! Ang cute. Gugutom na ako. Ayoko na, mag-out na ako. Mauubos na yung pera ko dito. If you wanna go where wala masyadong tao, become, as in like opening, dumating lang dito 9:50, wala pang tao. Parking, sobrang daming parking. And as in ghost town pa. So quiet, and then you can shop. But actually for a Saturday, and it's 12 noon, it's not that much, hindi parang ganun kagulo. So pwede pa din, you can still shop, hindi ka naman mababangga. But kaninang 10, as in, wala ang tao. Ghost town. So, come early to get more parking spots. Tara na, feeling ko maubos ko na yung IKEA. What are some of the tips that I can give you before coming to the IKEA store? Number 1, kumain kayo. Kasi I didn't. Gugutom na ako. And I'm really, really hungry. Naubusan na ako ng energy. Number 2, have a list in mind, a shopping list, so that hindi ka nabubudo like me. Kasi maya may makikita ka, uy, ang cute nito, ay, ang cute nito. So, it's a non-stop thing. 3, you can actually go to the website first and check the items there, then look for it here. Kasi it's so huge talaga. This will take like your whole day. But what's good is they have a restaurant with super good meatballs. I love it. You can eat and then you can start shopping again. I think the quality of IKEA is really, really good. Especially for condo owners na 1 year, 2 years nang gagamitin. You can actually really get a lot of stuff here. You just have to be careful of your budget coming in. Like ako, sobrang out of budget na. I had in my phone a list of things and there were like siguro less than 10. I checked out with almost 50 items. So talaga nakakabudol dito. So be careful of your budgeting. Meron talaga silang mga finds na talagang wow, sobrang cheap, sobrang ganda ng quality. I love the Calax shelves. I actually have 2 of them at home and I use them so much. Even their trolley carts, ang ganda ng price. Meron silang mga 1,990, meron silang 3,990. And sobrang ganda ng quality. Kasi alam mong, you know, they mass-produce products eh. If you're looking for unique products, I don't think you should go here. You should go to like furniture places na medyo mas unique. But if you're looking for, yun, may mga accessories na kailangan mo sa house, sa office, sa work from home area mo, baby's room, this is the perfect place. Curtains, bed sheets, kitchenware, super nice. Ang dami, sobrang daming finds, guys, na I can't, you know, fit them all in one video. You just have to come to IKEA and check it out for yourself. Bye!